Kia ora, atamari e, ko mai tuku ingoa no makete aho. Te wiki o te reo Māori, it might have finished yesterday, I guess, and my today was probably prompting some of that amongst the more proficient out there, but I'm going to keep trying. Yeah, world loves a trier. It is Monday, this is Kiwibank Markets in a minute. Okay, global equities, our risk sentiment barometer, they were negative on Friday, declines of around 1%, pretty much across the US and European board. The lack of love for stocks was a bit of a combination of a jump in European COVID case counts and the ongoing hangover from the sobering, I guess, comments from Fed Chairperson Jerome Powell back on Thursday morning. Yeah, that was regarding the increasingly long odds of a sharp US economic recovery. Yeah. Some very mixed metaphors in there, sorry about that. Anyway, equities lower, except in China, 2% rally in the Shanghai Composite Index. That rally, which kicked off on our Friday afternoon, that helped support the Kiwi. Boost the New Zealand dollar. A little currency scratched a fresh 2020 high of 67.98 US cents on Friday evening, just before 7 p.m. But, yeah, that arrival of US and European risk asset negativity took a bit of a shine off the Kiwi, and we closed around 67.6. Yeah. Still a high of so close to 68 US cents. Last time we were at those sorts of lofty heights was back at the beginning of April 2019. Yeah, back then you could still shake hands instead of that. Yeah, roll into the supermarket without queuing, and someone would all over a cake, and you would happily eat a piece just because it had a candle on it. What a time to be alive 2019 was. Anyway, Kiwi elevated and most Kiwi crosses elevated. Or they were when we closed on Saturday morning. We're now Monday morning. Yeah, this morning we could be in for a bit of chop in the Kiwi and those major Kiwi crosses because over the weekend, after the close, we learned that the UK government are allegedly looking at implementing a second nationwide lockdown. The Chinese government, they reckon their economy is demonstrating resilience despite external risks. And closer to home, Greg Foran, he's the CEO of Air New Zealand. Greggles, speaking to the Sydney Morning Herald last night, he doesn't think that we'll see a trans-Tasman bubble in 2020. I mean, there's 3 months of 2020 to run, broadly, and both countries are still engaged in partial lockdown, so it's hardly a massive call, but still not exactly an NZD positive story to kick off Monday morning. Yeah. If you are looking for an NZD positive story, or a negative story, or just a neutral story, Hamish Wilkinson, it's just over there. He'll be penning a section on the Kiwi and the Kiwi crosses in this week's edition of the Kiwi Economic Staple First View. Even without Hamish's contribution, it's quality stuff. Yeah, if you don't get that directly to your inbox, you're missing out. So shout out, and we will sort you out. Yeah. Right. Over and out. Sorry, I got carried away with all the outs. Yeah, forgot yen holiday today, respect for the age day, which really sounds like something every country should have, and no major data until around lunchtime tomorrow. Maybe morning tea tomorrow. Okay, that's it. This time I'm done. Kia pai tora.